Hello. We are en route to Tampa. Let's begin. So we just made it to our house that we're staying in Tampa. Been a day full of driving. But tonight we are going to a official BTS night market in Tampa. So we're all just getting ready now. Our Airbnb is very nice. It's much bigger than I expected. I'll give us a little tour. So we're identical on each side, bedrooms and bathrooms. That's me and Kaylee's room, Millie and Mom's room. But everybody's getting ready. Oh! Sorry. I told them it's a BTS night market that we're going to. What's gonna be there, Mom? Food.
Some of Jin's favorite foods, apparently.
Wow. That's the rumor. So. Okay. It's okay. Yeah. Okay, what? Deeper than the rain. So we are here, but it's a bit wet. It's a bit wet. And Kaylee's shirt. No, yeah. Oh, my bangs already. Hey, what Jungkook's playing?
Okay.
Preferences, Old Navy, Urban Outfitters, Bad Dude. I would have called them Doc Martens. Doc Martens, Old Navy, Urban Outfitters, Bad Dude, Hair, Air Forces, American Eagle, Hollister, Lulu, Nike, Uniqlo, some shopped in Korea, Bad Dude. I feel like we are all giving our biases right now. Yeah, there's a thought. We're wet, we're overstimulated, and we're hungry. Waiting for the rain to go away, then we might just go eat somewhere else. Even just hearing, BTS in public is fun.
Made it to Millie's bucket list restaurant, apparently. I can't open it. He recommended honey. I have the mini sliders. Big sauce. It was good. That was nice. Going to bed. With right now.
Nice.
I'm looking for a shark tooth. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, it's fake.
I'm looking for a conch shell. Whatever you can hear, just like the noise.
Perfect. What's her name? Moana. Yes, Moana.
Yeah. What? $10. Hey, no, that's a leaf. I thought it was a $10. Hey, also, it's post-World War.
Okay.
Oh, thank God.
Which World War? The one or two?
One.
Okay.
What's your souvenir to take home?
Yes. Here.
Okay. I'll share it.
Oh, cute. We're back. We got Subway. This is my third time eating Subway this week. First time. But on the beach, we had a great time. We searched for shells. Found some. I thought I found a shark tooth. Everything goes a rock. perfectly shaped. We laid out, we watercolored, and now we're starving. So we're gonna eat lunch. Can you guess which towel was put out by the teenage girl? Doesn't she?
It's not that bad. There was been worse. I actually thought it was being pretty clean this time.
We're all ready. Can you tell where we're going?
I'm going fishing.
It's Jin time.
Yes, Jen!
You can check them at our bag check service desk on
Fish for freebies. You want to go?
Welcome. This has become our post-concert tradition. I must have a McChicken anytime the show ends. And Kaylee needs a Big Mac. So we're gonna chow down. And we'll probably share some thoughts later. Good morning. It is about 8:17. And we're about to head out. We all get ready, clean up the place. And we are going to Disney Springs on our way home, which is just a delightful treat that we cannot wait for. And I had to bring my little Indy. And we didn't talk about the concert, so.
It was my first taste of a BTS concert. It was quite amazing. The best thing I've ever seen with my own two eyes. It was great.
It was great.
He was fun. I had fun. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
there's a doggy outside.
A donkey?
Yeah. Doggy.
Donkey.
Anyway, we will see you at the Springs. We made it.
My drive, it's my power. We stay hungry, we devour.